Let's work on displaying the rows data in a table. So just like we did for the students, we are going to display the rows data in this video, and in the further videos we'll be working on creating the roles, editing the roles, deleting the roles, and implementing the permissions and all the other stuff. So let's go ahead and define a new roles table. So inside my terminal, I'm gonna run the artisan make table, and okay, I already have that role, so let's hit enter and let's go to the roles table now. So inside tables we have that, and we already have some data populated like the role model. So I think we can use the students table and implement some stuff from here. So I want the ID and name, but I think for roles it's title. So let's go ahead and update that. And what else do we have? Okay, I think that's the only thing we need for the roles. So let's save this, and the next thing that I want to do is let's go to the web.php and define that route, and we don't have the role controller, so let's create that. Artisan make controller, role controller, let's hit enter, and we can use that in here. So it's actually roles. We don't have to pass in the name, and this is already imported because we are passing in the full namespace. So that's done. And what else do we have? Okay, let's go to the controller, and what do we want to do? We can make use of the student controller because why not? We don't want to type everything, so we can pass that. Okay, we don't have the index function, so let's copy it along with the index function. Let's paste that, and it's actually roles, and maybe we can edit multiple of these. So roles.index, the key is going to be roles, and the class is roles class. Let's import this, and we don't have the view file, so let's go ahead and define that as well. So inside views we want roles/index.blade.php. okay, and we can make use of the index page from students. So I'll just copy this and paste that in here, and let's update this. So I think we can directly update all of these at once, and the only difference here is for this one, so I'll just update that individually. So roles list, and we are going to use the slide over component, and here it's actually maybe instead of create, I think the add role sounds better. Roles.create, Splade table for roles, slot empty, that looks good, and we don't need this. And actions, okay, maybe we can make use of this. So for the role we are gonna define two links. So one is gonna be the edit, and the other one is the delete form. So these route actually exist because we defined the resource route, so they are not gonna throw any errors. And what else do we have? Okay, we haven't defined the actions in the table class itself, so let's go ahead and do that. So they are inside, okay, they are here, so define that in the table class actions. What else do we need? Okay, this looks good. Let's save this, and inside role controller we can also save this. So let's go ahead. Okay, one more thing that we need to do here is the navigation, which is inside layouts. Let's go ahead and copy this. And by the way, there's also one more navigation link which is for the mobile menu, so the responsive menu, which is down in here. Yep, that's here. So if you are changing that, you also need to make some changes in here. So here what we are doing is we are going to the roles.index. So let's go ahead and update that, and this is actually roles, and this should work. So let's go ahead and reload, and let's also reset this because we are on the page 7. Let's click on roles, and we see the roles, so that looks good. So we need to work on the edit and delete, so we'll do that in the next video.